how to get Threads badge on Instagram. So when you head over right here to your profile, you should be able to see this icon right here, which is the Threads icon. So you can head over and then install this Threads app. So just head over and click on that icon and then update your Threads app or install it if you haven't installed it yet. So from in there, this will update your Threads app for this case, and then you can see in here the progress for that. Once you have installed or updated your Threads app, you should be able to open it from here. So let's just wait for this right here and then open it once available. So click on open right here and then this will open this. Now it will automatically detect our Instagram. So we have this, click on this right here and then it will get ready for Threads and it will create our Threads account. Once you have successfully created right here your Threads account, you should be able to see your home page right here. And you can see this right here. So let's head back right here to our Instagram. And then just refresh this. And when you head over and click on this again, you should be able to see in here your Threads profile, or any visitors from our account should be able to see your Threads profile that you have right here. So that's how you get Threads badge on Instagram. Hope we helped.